Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'm going to show us how I did this design. Just stay back and watch. So this is how I fixed this after making this twisting. Then I use this with my crochet pin. This is it. So with my crochet pin, I will take this net like this. Then this is the one I made. I'll pass it through this hole. I'll not rush this video so that you understand what I'm doing. You see the one I'm coming out from. Then I make this opening here like this and pass this here. Now I have this. So continue like this. Once you finish making your twisting, you can buy it in the market if you want, or you make it yourself, or you check my video. I've uploaded how to make that twisting on your own in the house. You just open this, just the same thing. You do it till you finished everything like this. Like this. Like this. Open like this. I'll do this last one. So just continue like this till you get to the front part. I'll come back to show you how to close the front part to make it look natural. Like this. Once it's out like this, then you take it in. So you see, this was the pattern I've used to get this, and I'll continue like that till I finished everything here. This is what I'll keep doing till I cover everything. I get to the top part like this. So doing this, you don't need to rush. Just keep doing it like this. So I continue like this. When you get to this top part, this place is softer than compared to the back. So if you're not careful, you tear this place. So be careful when you get to this point. The net here is softer compared to the one at the back. So continue with this method until you cover everywhere, cover this side. When I get to this point, I will still show you. So for the sake of this tutorial, I did this. I use a brown powder to draw this line here, and this is because if we're doing it for the first time, we should know the middle of this net. And so if I want to attach my attachment now, I will use this line, just straight this line and leaving the white part, the plain part. So this is what I will do, and the opening here will be the center, and this will help your work to look neat and smart. So this is what I did here. For it to be faster for me, I had to put all this, so I will twist it. After twisting it, then I'll show you how I did it. And I'll still do this line here. Remember what I told you before. And this is what I will do to achieve that neat finishing. This is what I'll do. The same thing on this side too. So just I will do the twisting and come back to show you how it looks like, and together we'll do this side. So this is it. I'm done with those ones here. So this is how it looks like. So at this point, I'll continue with this part. So I'll do the same thing until I get the middle. I'll do the same thing to the middle, then I'll show you the finished result of this.